In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your bank details in Payments Info. If you need to replace an old bank account with a new one for payments, this process is usually quick and straightforward as long as you follow the order carefully. The main goal is to add the new bank account first, make it the primary payment method, and only then remove the old one. Doing it in this sequence helps avoid interruptions and makes sure your future payments are directed to the correct account. To begin, go to the Payments section and then open Payments Info. This is where your current payout or billing related banking details are managed. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct area before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one account or payment profile. Once you're in Payments Info, click Manage Payment Methods. This will open the list of bank accounts or payment methods currently connected to the account. Here, you should be able to see the existing bank account that is currently being used. Next, click Add Payment Method to enter the details for the new bank account. Carefully fill in the required banking information exactly as needed. It's a good idea to double check every field before saving, since even a small mistake in the account information could delay payments or cause payment issues later. Make sure the new account is the one you want to receive future payments. After the new bank account has been added successfully, set it as the primary payment method. This step is very important because the primary method is the one the system will use going forward. Before moving on, verify that the new account is now clearly marked as primary. Taking this extra second to confirm can help prevent accidental payment routing to the old account. Once the new bank account is set as primary, go back to the old bank account and click Remove. This will disconnect the outdated payment method from the account. Be careful not to remove the old bank account before the new one is fully added and set as primary, because doing so could create unnecessary issues with payment processing. After that, your bank details update is complete. As a final check, review the payment methods list one more time to make sure only the correct account remains active as your primary method. Keeping your payment information updated is a simple but important part of making sure